guys, so right now it is around 9 a.m. so I'm gonna go ahead and work out right now. I might show you guys a little clip of me working out here at home just so that you guys have an idea of what I do. Before that, I'm gonna go ahead and make my water. So if you guys missed out on the last video, I basically did the same thing. So I just got done doing my 20-minute cardio. Now I am going to be doing my workouts at home. Alright guys, so now that I'm done with my workouts, I'm gonna go ahead and make my post-workout protein snack type thing, protein coffee basically. So I'm going to show you guys what I do. I did share this on Snapchat already, so if you're not following me on Snapchat, be sure to follow me on Snapchat. I'll leave my screen name right here. And then I'm going to be taking my Starbucks unsweetened iced coffee in medium roast. I like the dark roast a lot, but I just ran out of that one and I still have this one, so I'm just going to use this one. So I'm gonna take about that much. Then I'm gonna take my Premier Protein and Caramel. Oh my god, so good. Just mix it. Ooh. I like to drink it with a straw just cause it feels like iced coffee that way. So good. You guys need to try this if you're obsessed with coffee. So some of you guys asked what I do when I crave sweets and stuff like that. Honestly, this protein drink mixed with coffee literally satisfies my sweets cravings. Before I had this protein, then I would just make myself a cup of coffee. My diet is never too strict to the point where I can't eat what I want. So basically, if I'm craving chocolate specifically, I have these semi-sweet chocolate chips in the fridge, and I would just take a couple of those, literally like just the chocolate chips. I would take a couple of those and eat it. Like, you know, you can do anything in moderation. And on top of that, on the weekends, usually half day Saturday and the whole day of Sunday, I basically just eat whatever I want in moderation. Alright guys, so it is currently 12:55, almost 1 o'clock. I'm honestly not hungry, but I am going to have to force myself to eat. The protein shake was pretty filling. But you know, Cadence is asleep right now and she's probably gonna wake up in about an hour or two, and by that time I won't be able to cook. So therefore I am gonna be cooking right now. It's gonna be like a really light, simple lunch anyways, and it's super delicious and I've been obsessed with it. So I wanna show you guys how I make it. So today we're gonna be making grilled shrimp salad. So these are the few things that you're going to need to make our grilled shrimp salad. Large raw shrimp, tail off, peeled and deveined, and this is from Target. I got butter right here, Old Bay seasoning, this is the Cajun seasoning, garlic powder, and I got the cheddar and bacon ranch, and this is from Walmart. I think you can find it like anywhere really. And then of course spinach. You can really use any kind of salad you want, but I'm going to be using spinach. While we're waiting for the pan to get hot, I'm going to go ahead and put my salad on the plate already. So I'm just going to be using baby spinach. I also got this from Target, and this is already washed and ready to eat. I just take a handful and just put that on the plate. Honestly, super easy. So once the pan is hot, I'm gonna go ahead and take my frozen shrimp right here. right, next I'm gonna take a little bit of butter. This could be a lot for some of you, but you know, just put however much you want. You can put more or less depending on how you want your stuff. We're gonna go in with the garlic powder. So garlic powder, and then the Cajun seasoning. Ooh, failed. That's too much. Way too much. Just. Okay, so just stir that around because just way too much Cajun. Moving back to the salad, I'm just gonna go ahead and put my cheddar and bacon ranch on. And I don't really need a lot, I just need enough. I'm gonna top it off with my grilled shrimp salad. I mean grilled shrimp salad, oh my gosh. With my grilled shrimp, that's what I meant. And that's all, you guys. So freaking good. Alright guys, so it's almost 5 p.m. 4:48 right now. We are going to make dinner now. And say hi, Kaden. Oh, it's dark. Sorry, guys. Just in a little walker. So we're gonna make some simple, quick dinner because Rax had a long day at work, and we just need something quick and easy. We got the honey chipotle salmon, and we got this one from Target, and it was only like, how much, babe? Like $5-6. We got the rice cooking in here. We just use white jasmine rice. I'm gonna steam the asparagus in the microwave for 5 minutes. Rice cooking in here. We just use white jasmine rice, and we're gonna wrap the asparagus with bacon. So Rex made his sauce right here. There's a bunch of stuff in there, so I'm not gonna go in detail.
All-purpose sauce.
So yeah, this is really good with anything and everything. I'm just gonna drizzle it on my salmon.